How to lock Facebook profile officially. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to officially lock your Facebook profile to protect your photos, posts, and personal info from strangers. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left side of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you are on the profile section, just tap on the three dot icon shown beside the edit profile button. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile settings section. Now here in the middle, you can see the option labeled as lock profile. So just tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, just tap on lock your profile button, and after that, your profile will be locked. And that's it. That's how you can lock Facebook profile officially. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.